What's up friends, do you want to make money by CPA marketing? It's an unseen method and you can easily make 50 per day or more. I will show you step by step everything in this video, how to promote CPA offers and you can make easily 50 or more per day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this exciting video. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JViju and many other high ticket programs and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing by online marketing. And in this video, I will show you step by step 3 steps that will help you to make CPA money. And all those 3 steps, at first I want to see how to create an CPA network, then how to choose CPA offers, and finally the unseen traffic method, the most important part of any online marketing. So guys, be ready to see how to make money on CPA marketing for free. But first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, all of my updates, new videos inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and I try my best to upload videos in the daily basis. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I try my best to cover ClickBank method, JViju method, Warrior Plus method, various high ticket program, free traffic, everything. So I assure you, you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 or more per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, let's check into my computer. I will show you everything step by step. So guys, don't miss any part of this important video. Now I want to show the best part of this CPA method. You see here, you can easily make 50 or more per day. It's 100% free and you don't need to run any paid ads, and so you don't need to invest any money to run this method, and you don't need to make any videos, you don't need any previous working skill, and it's 100% workable and you will get result fast. And finally, you don't need to buy any software, you don't need to use any software to apply this method. So guys, follow all those 3 steps and I will show you everything, how to create an CPA network, create an account on CPA network, how to choose the offers to promote, and the unseen traffic method. But if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos. So guys, let's check into my computer. So step number 1, create an account on CPA network. So simply visit you see here the CPA leads. You see here the CPA leads. You can simply sign up here using your Facebook account, using your Google account, and just simply log in here and you see here log in with Facebook, log in with Google, or you can use your email address to sign up here, and in my video description you will get this sign up form. So after logging into your account, you see the dashboard of this CPA lead, one of the best CPA affiliate network. You see here all the dashboard of CPA leads. So your account has been created. Now choose offers to promote. Visit this CPA leads and see here all the offers. You see all offers here. Now you can choose your country. You see here various country, and you can choose it all countries. Then what type of CPA offer you want to promote. You see here all the types: email, submits and service, pin submits, mobile, trial or purchase. So I recommend you to choose email, submit and service. Okay, and all devices are allowed to apply this CP method. Okay. Sorry. Now you see here all the offers of this CPA Leads affiliate network. Now you can choose your offers, but here is some tricks. Most of the CPA offer you see here are selected country. If you choose this offer, then it's for America, only for US people. If you this on, then you will also it for US American. If you choose it, then you will see 4 countries: Canada, America, New Zealand. Okay. Now you can say, if I promote on offer, then I will lose a lot of customer, a lot of audience. And for this reason, here is some tricks. Just visit your Google document. Simply visit this Google Doc and choose here the blank portion, and you can add 3, 4, 5, 6, over 10 offers at a time. And when you choose 10 offers, then you can choose 10 different countries, so you can cover all those different 10 countries. So it's one of the tricks to promote over 10 offers at a time. Okay. But if you choose on offer, then your country is selected. It may be USA, it may be UK, it may be Canada, it may be Australia. But if you choose all those 10 offers, then you can cover all the 10 countries. Okay. It's a simple tricks, but most of the CPA marketer don't follow it. But if you can follow it, then you can promote 10 offers at a time. Now you see here I already uh, choose 5, 6 offers here. And here is my, you see, crazy ways to win big rewards. Then hey Raju, here, do you want to earn big rewards in just simple ways? It's just simply submitting an email, just completing simple surveys, providing best reviews. Anyone can change. Anyone have a chance to win big rewards. Okay, let's check it. Then look your big rewards, and you can added all of your offers. And after adding your offers, you have to set your affiliate link. Okay, go this marketplace, and you see here I use this Amazon gift card. I see, you see here I choose it free gift card plus bonuses. Then simply click here, and here is your affiliate link. Okay, simply copy this link and insert your affiliate link here. Just boom. Now win an iPhone Pro. You see here another offer, win iPhone Pro. It's for France. Just copy it and insert your affiliate link. Okay, fine. Now after that you have to set your insert link like this. And finally, all are awesome free giveaways for this country, guys. It's the best, easiest way to win some big rewards. I try my best to provide trending offers. Don't miss these awesome opportunities. Have a good day, Raju. Okay, you have to create a middle page, a bridge page. Okay, you see here, that's it. You can edit all those 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 offers at a time. Now the final part, the final step, unseen traffic method. Okay, how can you get traffic? Actually, if you want to promote CP offers, then paid traffic is the best. Okay, and most of the marketer use paid traffic to promote CP offers and make CPA profits. But in this video, I am going to show you an unseen and untapped free traffic that you never seen, that any marketer also seen it or apply it. But in this method, you see here, it's your offer page, and simply download it as a PDF. Okay, now you can ask, how can I do it? You see here, this file, and click here, and you see download, then simply download as PDF document. Okay, my offer page is downloaded as a PDF. You see here, it's already downloaded. If I open it, you see here, this is okay. Now what you have to do, what's your task to promote this PDF? And for this, the best way to promote your PDF is SlideShare. You can easily upload your PDF here, and a lot of visitor, a lot of customers inside here, and you don't need to sell anything. Just submit an email, just submit your pin, just make a survey. It's so much simple, and you can grab any customer, you can grab any traffic to read your PDF and complete your surveys, complete your offers, and you can make commission. Okay, now see here how to uh, upload PDF on SlideShares. At first you have to log in here, and you have to log in it using your LinkedIn account. Okay, just simply click login. Then you can log in here in LinkedIn, Facebook, or your Gmail account, but you can easily use any of these. Okay, here is my dashboard, Rajbhodro. Okay, now I have to upload my PDF here. Then simply you see here, upload, just click upload, choose your file. What's my name? CrazyOS2 big. Okay, select your file. Here is my PDF, CrazyOS to win big rewards. Okay, just open, and you have to fill up all this. Here your PDF is loading. Here is your title. Okay, title is fine. CrazyOS to win big rewards. Big rewards. Okay, then a simple description inside this PDF. You are going to get some awesome 3 giveaways. Just completing simple service. Okay, then choose your category here, and you have to choose business, career, design. You can choose marketing. Okay, it will be public. Okay, then you can use tags, giveaway, reward, bonus. Okay, it's depends on you. You can add more image, more tags here. Now you see here you currently have the upload to set to public. This means that will be indexed by search engine and visible by any on of the web. So after completing your uploading your PDF, you can publish it, and all over the all people will see your PDF, download your PDF, and when they read your PDF, when they see your PDF, you will get the option to get convert of your all of your offers. So guys, that's the charming, that's the best way to, here is no selling, they don't need to buy anything, they don't need to do any subscription, just simple survey, just simple submit an email, that's it. So it's the best way, the best opportunity to get CPA offers, to make CPA profits, and the best converting way. So guys, simply published it. Okay, your PDF has been published here. Okay, if you see your PDF, see here my uploads, then you see here you see already 3 views here, and time to time it will increase, and how much view, how much traffic, see, you get the best result, the more people download it, and you will get the best result. And it's one of the PDF sharing site. I will show more, two more sites. Another is Scribd, you see here scribd.com. You also upload your PDF here, and your own PDF, just on PDF upload these 3 sites. You see here this Scribd, and simply sign up here and upload your PDF. Okay, and another one is Calamio. Okay, Calamio, just simply sign up here and upload your PDF and share your PDF here. So all those 3 PDF sharing site will help you to promote your CPA offers. So guys, that's it. That's the simple way to promote CPA offers and make CPA profits. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question about this video, about this method, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question, to reply your queries, and don't forget to share this video with others, with your friends. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and you never be frustrated, you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. And that's it. Just follow all those simple 3 steps. At first you have to create an account on CPA affiliate network, then you have to choose to promote offers, and finally the unseen traffic you have to create an PDF first, and after that you will share the PDF for the all over the world. That's it. So guys, subscribe it, comment here and share it. That's it. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you.